In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the label order in Gmail. Many of us rely on Gmail for our daily communications, and organizing it to suit our habits can make a world of difference. So let's dive in and make your Gmail more efficient and tailored to your needs. To begin with, open your favorite web browser and go to the Gmail website by typing mail.google.com into the address bar and pressing enter. Make sure you're logged into the account where you wish to change the label order. Upon logging in, you'll be directed to your inbox. Once you're there, direct your attention to the left panel where you normally see your list of labels and folders like Inbox, Sent, and your custom labels. This next part is crucial. You might notice that the labels aren't in the order you prefer. Now let's get into organizing them. Move your cursor over to the More option in the label list. It is usually at the bottom of your current labels. Click on More to expand all the labels if they're not already fully visible. This will give you a comprehensive view of everything. After you've expanded your labels, scroll down until you find the label you want to move. Once you've located it, hover your mouse over the label. You should notice that a small vertical slider or series of dots appears to the left of the label's name, indicating that it's draggable. Click and hold on these dots to grab the label. With the label selected, simply drag it up or down the list to your desired position. As you drag the label, you'll notice a bold horizontal line that appears between the other labels. This line indicates where the label will be dropped when you release the mouse button. Position it carefully to organize your list just the way you want, and then let go of the mouse button to drop the label in place. Remember that while you're organizing your labels, it's always good to think about the frequency and importance of accessing each label. Place the labels you use most at the top for quick access. This method ensures that your workflow remains smooth and efficient. Once you've adjusted the order of your labels to your satisfaction, it should be reflected immediately. There's no save button needed here, as Gmail updates this automatically. If you navigate away from this screen or close your browser, your changes will remain, making your inbox customized and faster to navigate the next time you log in. By following these steps, you're now equipped with the skill to reorganize your Gmail labels, hopefully leading to a more streamlined emailing experience. Thank you for joining me today, and happy organizing.